Where are you?
Adil!
Why are the lights switched off?
Adil! Adil!
Mom! Are you
Adil.
okay?
Adil!
Mom, what is it? Tell me.
Adil!
Should I call an ambulance? Is it your heart? How many fingers do you see?
I can't see.
My God. Is your vision gone? Is everything dark? Do you see a dark tunnel with a light at the end? Do you see Dad? Is he calling you?
I can't see. I can't see your fingers because you're waving them too fast.
Now how many fingers do you see?
2 fingers. And a ring finger without a ring.
Mom,
Why aren't you doing something about it?
about what?
They passed the bill last month. Gay marriage is legal. You can get married, you know.
Mom, you called and said that you were feeling giddy and that it might be a heart attack. I have to cancel a client meeting to come here.
Don't worry. I'm fine. But I'm worried about you.
Mom, you know I don't even have a boyfriend, and we are not evolved so much as to have arranged marriages for gays.
Is that my fault?
Mommy G.
If only you were straight.
Mom, are you calling me crooked?
No, I meant if you were normal.
Normal, straight, who decides these terms? I am not abnormal, and I have a larger, kinder heart than most straight guys.
Adil, don't get offended. I didn't mean to offend you. I just want you to find a good partner. And God knows I've tried. I set you up with Persis Irani's son, who was so hot.
But he is 59 years old.
I also set you up with my hairdresser, Boman Damania, who was so bloody cute.
But he got jailed for flashing outside a boys' school.
And what about my gym trainer? That hunk of a man who's 6'2" with a tattoo of a dolphin below his belly button.
How did you know the tattoo?
That's not the point. Is he hot or not?
Yes, but he's a happily married heterosexual.
Who cares? I want my son to be married.
Mom, I'm HTBG.
What?
I'm happy to be gay. I don't need to be married to be happy.
Do you know what it's like for me when people see us together? To have a 40-year-old son living with me? When people see us together, they ask me if you're my uncle.
That is because of Dr. Darius Daruwala. You spent all of Dad's money on plastic surgery. In fact, if you keep going, when Deepika Padukone will look like your grandmother.
Exactly. What a talented surgeon he is. And, you know, he could add 3 inches to your...
Mom, please stop it.
What? I was going to say he can add 3 inches to your height. You are little short, you know.
Size doesn't matter, Mom.
Tell that to your last boyfriend who ditched you because...
Please! Can we change the subject?
When are you planning to get married? You know what it's like for me. When all of my friends ask me, when is Adil getting married?
Why should they care? They know I'm single and I'm not going to get married anytime soon.
Not anymore.
What? What do you mean?
Nothing.
What did you tell them?
Nothing. I'm embarrassed. Having a grown-up son, unmarried, and living with me. You know Amira Balsara? Last week, her son got married in the Taj Plaza. They had a live orchestra with 69 dancers, and all of them were dressed in white shirts, crotch-grabbing tights. And the married couple came down from the ceiling in a golden chariot.
Good for them. They have the money to burn.
You know Miss Dastur, the one with the identical twin lesbian daughters. Last week in Colaba, they had a double ring ceremony because they met another pair of identical twin lesbians.
Another pair of identical twin lesbians? Wow, that's incredible.
Exactly. How am I supposed to compete with that? Every Sunday, when I read the wedding announcements in the Mumbai Times, I look for your name on it.
Mom, I've been trying to meet someone forever. I've spent hundreds of hours on Bumble and Tinder, but no one is interested in me. People are no more interested in long-term relationships. Even the straight guys are having a tough time. I've used filters and photoshopped my DP so many times.
Me too.
What do you mean? Are you on Bumble and Tinder?
I pretended to be you. Adil Choksi. Home-loving, hot, humped like a horse.
Did you get any responses?
No. Only from girls who are interested in your equine quality.
Look, Mom, someday I'll find someone and maybe they'll get married. Or maybe not. But you have to stop pressuring me. Or I'll get imposter syndrome.
Remember, your biological clock is ticking.
Let it tick. For the moment, let me be free.
Okay, then just do me a tiny little favor.
Name it.
This weekend, just don't read the Mumbai Times. Especially not the wedding announcement section.
Oh my God, Mom, what did you do?
Nothing. It's just, please try to understand. So, I was in the Irani tea shop, minding my own business, and Noor Batliwala comes in. You know the one that teaches the dynamics of gay literature in the 21st century?
Even though she's not gay.
Exactly. She does it just to show off. To show that she's got the gayest life of them all. So, she comes in, and she shows me pictures of her son, who's doing the main role in Mahesh Dattani's Dance Like a Man.
So?
So, she shows me one photo after another of her son and his husband, a fat Firangi. And she goes, look at my lovely diamond, and look at his husband outside the Eiffel Tower. Look at them in the convent garden. The bitch doesn't even know it's Covent Garden.
Look, Mom, I better get back to my office.
And they're even planning to adopt an American baby.
American? Why? When there are hundreds of orphans here.
Exactly. She made me so angry. So I told her, I said, you know my son Adil, he's getting married too.
You did.
To a cardiac surgeon who operates exclusively on gay babies in developed countries.
Wait, how does he know that babies are gay?
Because their hearts are so big.
Oh my God.
And your husband, I wanted him to be even gayer than her son and his husband put together. So I said he came out of the closet even before he was potty trained.
God.
And you are registered everywhere. Then you're getting married next week. I even sent an announcement to the Mumbai Times.
How can you do this, Mom? My colleagues will laugh at me if they find out that this is all a lie.
I'm sorry. I just panicked. I'll call her up and I'll tell her it was a lie. And I'll call up the Times and I'll tell them to cancel the announcement.
Wait.
What?
Did you send in a picture of the happy couple?
Of course. Because when her son got married, the two men had matching septum rings. They had matching Cartier watches and they looked so bloody smug. So for you, I found a picture of a male model and I photoshopped the two of you.
Which male model?
He's gorgeous. The one from the Dolce & Gabbana ads.
Oh my God, the one with the chest, the lip taps, and the tiny purple briefs.
Yes.
Do you think the model might have grounds to sue us?
Come on, Adil Choksi. Which Italian model reads Mumbai Times? And for your photo, I used your face, but I photoshopped Salman Khan's shoulders, Hrithik Roshan's legs, Amir Khan's arms, and Tiger Shroff's six-pack.
What about my waist?
I gave you Ileana D'Cruz's waist.
I love it.
Now Noor Batliwala's son can die of jealousy.
Fuck him.
I sure wish you could.